Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use voice effects on TikTok, and here's how it is done. Go to your TikTok app. Make sure to click the plus sign below to make a new video. Make sure that you are in video format. Below the speed button, click this down arrow. Click voice, and there are a lot of voice effects here, so I will just choose this one. Let us listen to it.
You can use this.
After that, I will record my own video and talk. Just listen.
Now using the voice effects on TikTok.
As you can see, my voice has changed into the effect that we have used.
Voice effects on TikTok. Hello.
Click next, and then if you are satisfied, just upload the video. And that is everything you need to know about how to use voice effects on TikTok. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.